so I'm gonna be changing out the brake light switch. Right now the one that's currently on the car is kind of like in a stuck position, so the brake lights are always on. I ended up buying a new one. I think it's like 20 bucks around there. But you do have to get under here, take off this panel. So I'm gonna do that in the meantime. Okay. Alright. You could just hold on by these two. That's it. Just gonna take that off. Now, I read that to make this easier to get the switch out, you have to take this dome light off and this port right here. Alright, so I think it's a 7mm bolt. There's also like a secret right behind it. I don't know if you guys can see the C-clip right here. Try not to lose that. Just gonna put it back on there so I don't lose it. Where'd it go? Just stop. All right. 5.5. It's really small. Not sure if I could actually get it focused on. Should probably just leave them on there so I don't lose them. Alright, so that's the switch that we need to take off. This one right here. Oh. Alright, I thought I broke that, but actually just twist this. Oh my god, this is so much easier. So just twist once you're gonna put it back in and twist it out. Alright, there you go. Took this out. Oh, you guys see that? Yeah, you see that? That's worn out. Let me see if I can actually pull it out. Yeah, no, that's it. This is why it's always in that stuck position. Alright, so this brake light switch is since staying on, the brake lights stay on, and if you leave like the ignition on, kind of kills your batteries just having the brake light switch, the brake lights on. As well as it's stopped me from doing remote start and, you know, doing cruise control on it. gonna step on the brake. Okay, I think it's finally.
Big one?
Yeah. Let me see which one you're hitting. Do it. Press it. Hold on. Let me see. Okay, go. Let go of it. Do it again. Okay.